YouTube has changed people's lives as far as how much money you can actually make from YouTube. And you probably think that the only way to actually do that is just to create videos and YouTube pays you for those videos. And there's actually so many other ways that you can actually make money through your YouTube channel. So whether or not you're already a YouTuber and you want to find more ways to make money, or you're just starting your YouTube journey, or you're curious about if this is something that can be lucrative, make sure you watch all the way till the end so you'll learn all the different ways you can make money from YouTube. So you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you already have one, and you want to learn how you can actually make money from YouTube. Hey Baddie and Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses. If you're new here, I'm dedicated to 100% free education, and people charge thousands of dollars for the courses and education that I provide you 100% free. All I ask in return for this free education is just hit that subscribe button and like this video for the YouTube algorithm so I can continue to make videos just like this. So maybe you're getting curious about making videos, or maybe you already have a YouTube channel. Whatever stage of the content creation journey you are in, if you are interested in using YouTube to make money, this is the video for you. You've probably heard about the channels on YouTube that make millions of dollars per year. For example, top YouTuber Ryan's World makes an estimate amount of nearly $30 million per year. Now, obviously, the money that you make from YouTube depends on many different factors, which I'm going to cover in this video. If this channel, Ryan's World, is out here making millions of dollars, where the center of his videos are kind of just him, his life, him opening gifts is what I believe is kind of how he got his start on YouTube, then that means you can most definitely take advantage of YouTube as well. Now, the first thing that you need to decide whenever you are starting a YouTube channel is whether or not you want to show your face or not. You probably didn't know, but you can start a faceless YouTube channel, and you can create videos without even showing your face. So don't think that you have to be this big influencer to actually take advantage of being a YouTuber. This style of content creation is known as YouTube automation. And I do have a free course just about YouTube automation on my YouTube channel, so definitely go and watch that video if you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel, how to edit videos, how to actually start your journey as a YouTuber. In this video, I'm really going to just focus on the monetization opportunities that you will have when you start your YouTube journey. One of the hardest things for beginners is really just figuring out A to Z what they need to do to actually get started with a YouTube channel. Hopefully that free course helps you a lot. But I also wanted to introduce the sponsor of this video today, called Audio. With the right tools, you are able to make money from YouTube without even showing your face. This has become my new favorite tool in order to find music that is non-copyrighted that I can use in my videos. Not just for faceless videos, but for any video project you may have. Finding non-copyrighted music in your videos can sometimes be difficult. Even if you do find one, by doing a YouTube search for one, it could end up having copyright issues down the line. So you definitely want to be careful, because the last thing you want to do is to create a YouTube video, put all the work in, and then you put a song on your video and it's copyrighted, which means your video can be demonetized. And sometimes that has actually happened to YouTubers. Like, they'll post a video and it's fine, but then later on they'll have an issue with it. So it's just not worth it to even risk. And that's why this platform Audio that I'm introducing to you today is honestly a really great option. I found out that over 100,000 creators use this platform, so I wanted to introduce this to you today. Here's what sets Audio apart in music licensing. It's the most affordable platform that I have come across with real music from real artists. They use high quality SFX and not stock music. There's a difference. Audio's lifetime music subscription is the perfect choice for creators. You will get unlimited music for life just for $199 by using the code Baddie. The usual price is $499, so the code is definitely worth it. This lifetime music subscription covers YouTube monetization, and new music gets added to the catalog every day. Audio will take your videos to the next level and bring your creative vision to life. I really do love that Audio is passionate for the creators and they understand our struggles as content creators and YouTubers, so it's definitely worth it to check out Audio. And again, huge shout out to Audio for sponsoring today's video. So the first way that YouTubers make money is through their advertising revenue. When people watch your videos, you will receive revenue from ads that are attached to them. It will be up to you to choose how many ads are on that video as long as the video is 8 minutes or longer. While more ads generate more revenue, keep in mind that viewers might get annoyed if there's too many ads, so you definitely want to lower it to risk lower engagement. On average, YouTubers make $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. This is usually the main stream of income for YouTubers that YouTubers rely on to make money. Make sure you watch all the way till the end of this video so you have full knowledge of all the different ways you can make money from YouTube. So number 2 is channel membership. You can create channel memberships for viewers to buy in order to access exclusive content from your channel. This includes member-only videos, member-only live streams, member-only live chats, or member-only community posts. You can also create custom badges and emojis that they can use in comments or live streams. I was actually scrolling through the YouTube blog and I found this creator that made over $100,000 just from their YouTube channel memberships. She's actually an accountant that works to help people learn more about financial literacy, so she gained her audience through those kinds of videos. You don't have to do a bunch of crazy pranks or go out in public in order to get subscribers on YouTube. So number 3 is channel merchandise. Sometimes you'll notice you'll be watching YouTube channels and they'll have t-shirts or mugs or print-on-demand items down below under their video. Merch stores on YouTube channels can definitely be a great way to generate income through your YouTube channel. After doing some research, I found that Dude Perfect makes an estimated amount of $500,000 just from their merch store on their YouTube channel. And it's easily linked under all his videos, so you can easily find it. And it's a way for fans to show support to their favorite YouTubers. I really love YouTube as well because you can also put links down in the description. So if you have a merch store that is not necessarily linked under your video, you can still link them in the description and kind of shout it out in the video for your fans to buy merch that way as well. So the next way that you can make money through YouTube is by doing live streams. You are able to really get in touch with your audience through live streams. So not only will this benefit you and you'll be able to really get closer to your audience by doing live streams, but they can also send you gifts while you're doing live streams. This is called super chats and super stickers. Your viewers can purchase these stickers and send them to you, which translate to money. The next way you can make money from your YouTube channel is by doing YouTube Premium. So YouTube actually rolled out this new program called YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription program that you subscribe to YouTube in order for people to not have to watch ads. And you'd be surprised, a lot of people have already bought this so they don't see ads on your videos, but you still get paid from them watching your videos. So the next way that people make money from their YouTube channels is through doing sponsorship. A key part of making money on YouTube is by doing sponsorships with brands. This means in exchange for a sum of money, you promote a brand's product in your videos or in the description of your videos. Brands will pay you just for you to shout them out and advertise them in your videos. You can start getting sponsorships in 2 ways. You can either let them come to you, which is kind of my style. I don't usually do any outreach, me personally, for any of my YouTube channels, or they will come to you with an offer. Once your YouTube channel starts getting more views, you will definitely have an influx of brands reaching out to you. But this is also why it's important to keep all your social medias kind of like growing at the same time. So don't just focus on just YouTube. I would start an Instagram page, start a TikTok page, start a Facebook page, start anything that you want to start. And having any other additional social media will really help you not only grow your YouTube channel, but it'll also help you get more brand deals as well. When I say brand deals and sponsorships, I'm basically talking about the same here. The next way that you can make money through YouTube is by selling a course. Now, you guys already know my style. I personally will never sell a course or a program here because I'm dedicated to 100% free education. Although I'm not against people selling courses as much as you guys probably think that I am. Just say you're a photographer and you want to sell a course on how to start a photography business, then that would be honestly something great that you could add to your YouTube channel that you could market in the description of each YouTube video. Not everybody really wants to watch a full playlist of videos like I have on my YouTube channel. I try to keep everything as organized and efficient as possible, especially my free courses playlist. But for other people, it just works better for them if they just focus on selling their course and their description. So it really just depends on the channel and what they're selling and what their niche is. And this leads into my next method of how you can make money from a YouTube channel, which is through mentorships. Now, I personally don't have a mentorship program either because you guys already know I'm dedicated to 100% free education. But there are great mentors out there. I do want to say I do see on YouTube a lot of scammers in, the online business niche. You just have to be really careful. Not everybody's out there to actually help you and actually cares about you. Sometimes some people are just trying to sling you into a mentorship program. So you obviously have to have discernment if you are ever going to buy one. But as far as if you are wanting to add that to your channel and add lots of value to your audience, you genuinely want to help other people, then this would honestly be a great option for you. And who knows, maybe one day in the future, I will have one as well, because I know you guys have been requesting for me to start a mentorship, but I'm just so dedicated to the 100% free content for now. Another way that YouTubers make money from their YouTube channel is through crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is basically when you use sites like Patreon to fund their channel and the activities that they do on their YouTube channel. People make a Patreon account and they kind of have different tiers of like what you'll get if you subscribe to this plan or this plan. And it's like a monthly plan. So they pay you for each month and they're basically just subscribed as supporters. Whether you choose one of these ways to make money from your YouTube channel, they can really have an impact on how much money you actually generate from your YouTube channel. But I always recommend taking things one step at a time. It's so good that you're listening to this video and understanding and learning all the different ways that you can make money with YouTube, but it's really important to just focus on one thing at a time. Because if you try to, just setting up a YouTube channel in general and growing a YouTube channel can be difficult. So if you put all these things on you when you're not quite ready for them, that can definitely have an impact on your performance as well. So my advice to you is kind of just take it one step at a time. I would focus on your content, on providing value for others, building your YouTube channel, and then you will start to see more and more ways slowly to make more money with your YouTube channel. Now, what are the requirements to actually get paid from YouTube? As of right now, you do need 1,000 subscribers and 5,000 watch hours in order to be monetized and for YouTube to place ads on your videos. Now, that might seem like a lot, but you'd be surprised on how much time kind of racks up. If you just get the YouTube videos out there, you will eventually get monetized. And it really is all a process. That honestly is why on YouTube, you should be creating videos on things that you guys have passions for and love to do. If you're just creating YouTube videos about things that you really don't care about and you're just trying to get into YouTube just to make money, you're going to wind up probably losing interest or something will happen and you just don't feel like putting the continuous work in that you will need to put in order to grow your channel long term. Again, remember that I do have a free course all about YouTube automation and how to make money through YouTube. So definitely go and watch that free course on my YouTube channel if you haven't already. You guys already know if you have any questions about today's video, you can comment down below and I will be reading through all my comments and answering as many comments as I possibly can. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. It's all I ask in exchange for this free education and courses that people charge thousands of dollars for. And make sure you're also following me on Instagram at baddieandbiz for more business inspiration and updates. You can also follow me on Snapchat too, because I have been posting more frequently on there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye everyone!